Welcome back. Colleges have been a petri dish for the coronavirus. Now some are paying their students to prevent further spread. Laura Podesta has the story.
Biology major Sarah Kearns doesn't consider herself an Instagram influencer.
Personally, I just see myself as a college girl with an Instagram.
But earlier this year, the senior at the University of Missouri was chosen, along with 5 other students, by an outside marketing firm her college hired to help stop the spread of the coronavirus.
They wanted to get the word out. And so we were just talking about ways that people can protect themselves and also protect their mental health.
A spokesperson for the university tells us this was the first time the school used an Instagram influencer approach to reach the student body. Christian Basie says the month-long campaign started at the end of August and cost roughly $10,000.
It worked really well. We did see an increase in COVID active cases. They peaked at the very beginning of September on Labor Day weekend. And then after that, we saw an immediate dramatic drop in the number of active cases.
Other schools like Fordham University here in New York City are using their own social media accounts to reach students with pandemic safety messages, especially as Thanksgiving approaches. This pledge, reading "Each of us caring for the whole of us," has been posted to the school's public Instagram page every few days this semester, generating thousands of likes. Sarah says she could see putting her Instagram account to work for the University of Missouri again.
I would be open to it. I have to agree with the campaign.
Right now, the school says cases are contained and the majority of students will be transitioned to remote learning following Thanksgiving break. Laura Podesta, CBS News.
The number of new cases of COVID-19 in children has reached a new record high. According to the American Academy of Pediatrics and the Children's Hospital Association, over 144,000 new pediatric cases were reported between November 12th and the 19th. That's the highest weekly increase since the pandemic began. There was also a 28% increase in pediatric cases over the last 2 weeks. Children almost make up more than 11% of all cases in the country. And a new survey suggests most older adults will get the COVID vaccine, but just not right away. Researchers with the University of Michigan polled over 2,000 adults between 50 and 80 years old. A fifth said they would get vaccinated right away, while 46% said they would rather wait for others to get vaccinated first. People over the age of 65, whites, men, and those with higher education were more likely to say they would want to get vaccinated right away.